Namaste students. Today we will be learning one of the important topics of class 10th of writing section, that is letter writing. As we all know that writing letters is one of the most important source of communication or expressing the feelings towards others. Since ancient times, letter writing was the part of life. Today we are going to learn how to write a formal letter. Formal letters are a request for something that is meaningful to you. They are like talking to a higher being, asking for something important with respect. Direct to the point, not hurting, not offensive, not too personal. They are an introduction of yourself since you are a stranger to them. Make it short, but not too short. Tell them what they need to know, but what you want to share. Formal letters include business letters, official letters, applications, letter to the editors of the newspaper, letter of complaints, etc. In CBSE 10th class English paper, letter writing is considered one of the most important questions as students can easily score full marks in this with a little preparation. Students just need to understand the correct format of writing the letter, according to which the information is to be penned down. We will explain here some important points along with the correct format which must be considered while writing a letter in the CBSE board exams. In CBSE class 10 English paper, writing question carries 8 marks and comes in internal choice. Types of letters to be asked in CBSE class 10 English exam. First, letter to the editor of the newspaper, drawing the public attention towards social or common issues. Complaint letters, reporting a lost wallet, cycle, etc. Complain on neighbors, poor facilities at tourist places, etc. Next, order placing letters, order books, equipments related to the school, etc. Inquiry letter, planning a trip, details for asking or joining an extra class. Now we will study in detail topics to the editor of the newspaper, expressing your views about child labor, unemployment, crime against women, habits of smoking, problems arising due to increasing population and drug addiction, etc. Pointing towards the rash driving by the DTC drivers, speeding by bikers, etc. Topic regarding complaints. Regarding some product that you purchased like defective mobile, handset, camera, etc. Regarding misbehavior of staff or salesman. Regarding the problem faced in society like shortage of water, frequent breakdown, etc. Topics for ordering or placing letter. Placing an order for school uniforms for the dress store of the school. Placing an order for the books for the school library or educational purpose. Placing an order for sports item for your school. Placing an order for some edibles for your birthday party or an event. Topics of inquiry. Asking about the details for taking permission in a course. Inquiring about some welfare schemes launched by the government. Writing a tourism company to inquire about the details of some tour package. Now we will be learning the format of letter writing. There is a strict format to be followed while writing a letter, which is explained below. Yes, we'll start with the sender's address on the left side of the page, just next to the margin. Write the sender's address and contact details. Second, date below the sender's address. Write the date after leaving one line. Receiver's address. After the date, write the address of the recipient, the officer, the principal, the editor, to whomsoever you are writing the letter. The fourth one is subject of the letter. Here you have to mention the main purpose of writing the letter in 4 to 5 words. Then comes your salutation, respected madam or sir. Now comes the body of the letter. Here you have to explain the matter of your letter. Body of the letter must be divided into 3 paragraphs, such as the first paragraph. Introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter in brief. Second paragraph, it should include the matter in detail. Third one, here you have to conclude your letter by mentioning the conclusion or solution. Then, complimentary closing. Thank you, yours faithfully, yours sincerely. And last but not the least, sender's name, signature, and designation if it is applicable, then only. Now we will come to the marking scheme. The marking scheme to be followed for writing a letter question in CBSE class 10th English board examination. The format is for 1 mark. The content of the letter carries 4 marks. Expressions carries 3 marks. Under the content, credit should be given to the students or the candidates who are giving the exams for the creativity in presentation of the ideas, appropriate use of language, and skills of reasoning. Now, students, I'm showing you a format of letter writing. This is a letter to an editor. Sender's address, include the email or the phone number if required. Now we have to leave a space in between date below the address. Leave one space or line. Receiving editor's address. Then the subject, that too also in 3 to 4 words. Then we will be leaving one more line. Then salutation. Sir, respected sir or madam. Sixth is the body. The paragraph. First, you introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter. Paragraph 2, detail of the topic. And paragraph 3, concluding. Then we will be having the complimentary closing, sender's name, signature or designation if required. Hope you have understood what I have taught you. You will be scoring not on not if you will remember all these points while writing a letter in your examination.